Hey, you can't park there.
He had one, didn't he? Like kind of
You had it.
off the back.
That's long arm love right there.
That was sick.
What was your problem the first time?
Right? I just had to make sure I knew how not to do it first.
Hey, we rock stacked.
Jesus, look at that. Spider-Man style.
And just so we know, it wasn't the spotter this time, it was the driver.
I served no purpose.
God damn. Turn into it. Yep, stay turned into it. Into it. Yep, stay on that line, stay on the line.
That was a rowdy way to do it.
Hey, I said stay on the line, you just kept freaking going.
It's still mostly in one piece. That doesn't count as 7 years bad luck. Now turn in.
How pretty is it?
You were almost up to the top on that. You got to stand by the rock though for sure.
That's why I'm not afraid.
Yeah, that's good. There it is, first shot. Oh, second shot.
It was a spotter, just
Just want to make sure that we got video evidence of that rock stacking down there.
Yes, turn into it, turn into it. There you go. Stay turned into it. Passenger, there you go. Driver a little bit.
Thanks, gentlemen.
It was a spotter.